So recently at a weekend pop-up, I came across Masaba's makeup brand called the LOVECHILD. And today I'll show you the stuff I got from there. Firstly, I have to say I love the packaging. That was her pretty mom Neena Gupta on the package, by the way. So this is a liquid matte lipstick called Meetha Jaljeera. Look at this beautiful pink color. Has a very light texture. I actually feel as if I've not applied anything on my lips. Next is this beautiful highlighter palette called Chandni. First, I'm gonna try the golden highlighter. As you see, it is pretty pigmented. Going to apply it a little bit on the eyelids to show you. See, it's pretty prominent. Next, going to try this nude shade and apply it on my cheeks. Blend it a little and see, looks really nice, doesn't it? Next, going to try this pinkish shade. It's giving a beautiful natural glow. I am quite liking her makeup line and it's very decently priced as well. And of course, last but not the least, this is a free makeup pouch that I got. Isn't it cute? In case you have tried her makeup too, let me know your recommendations as well.